What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be learning how to play Not Going Down by EZI. And I know you all are here from Gotham Nights, and I learned this entirely by ear because there were literally no tutorials or no chords on the song that you could just look up or watch live or anything. So this is straight up easy. Actually, this is actually easy. And you're going to go down to the 5th fret, and then you're going to put your pointer finger on the fifth string, and then you're going to go down to the 7th fret, and then put your ring finger or whatever finger you feel comfortable on the 2nd string. And then you're going to do this 4 times. Like that, just 4. And then you're going to slide down to the 9th fret and the 10th fret, same strings. You're just sliding down to those frets. So like this. 4 times again. And then you're going to slide up to the 7th fret and the 9th fret. And you're going to do that 8 times. And then it's going to sound like this. And then on the second part, you're gonna go. So the only thing we're changing here on that second part is that you're going, instead of going straight back to that 3rd chord, you're going to go down to the 12th fret and the 14th fret. Same strings. And you're going to do that either 7 or 8 times, I think. And then you're going to slide back down to that last fret 2 times. And then you're going to go back to the first one. So it'll be like this, all slow. And that's just going to play throughout the entire song. And that's all. Hope you all enjoyed that video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Make sure you check out my other videos if you want. I don't know. Subscribe for more tutorials. You can request, but I might not take them because I'm like that. See you all in the next one. Peace.